Installing the adapter for RDX. First, remove the white cover on the overhead console. Then use the pry tool to detach the overhead console. Now, you will see two connectors. Unplug the gray one. Take out the 24-pin Y cable from the package and connect it to the original vehicle connector. Next, remove the middle black cover behind the rear view mirror. Connect the 8-pin circular connector of the Y cable to the port on the adapter. Finally, reinstall all covers to their original positions. Remove the 3M type backing on the adapter and mount it to the windshield.